Finally, new homes in BridgeWater subdivision. Come on, let's go. What if you could live in a resort-style community with beautiful new homes, incredible amenities, and top-rated schools, all just 30 minutes from Dallas and Fort Worth? Welcome to BridgeWater in Midlothian, Texas. Today, we're taking you inside this incredible community to see the homes, amenities, location, and everything that makes BridgeWater one of the exciting new communities in the DFW area. Let's go take a look. The new construction homes at BridgeWater bring fresh, innovative architecture designed for modern flexibility, upscale entertaining, and everyday family life. Take a look at this featured layout, boasting 2,982 square feet of masterfully designed living space. You get 4 to 5 spacious bedrooms, giving everyone their own private retreat or space for a dedicated home office. There are up to 4 to 5 full bathrooms, plus up to 2 convenient half baths, meaning no morning rush hour bottlenecks before school or work. You also have an oversized 2-car garage with plenty of storage for vehicles, tools, or gear. Inside, you'll find expansive, open-concept living, chef-inspired kitchens with large prep islands, high ceilings, and large windows that fill every room with natural light. The primary suites offer spa-inspired en-suites that make coming home feel like checking into a boutique resort. Now, the amenities here are where BridgeWater truly sets itself apart. You don't need to leave the neighborhood for vacation vibes, cool off in the resort-style pool, swim some laps for fitness, or let the kids splash in their own dedicated water zones. If you love staying active, you have access to on-site pickleball courts and a community putting green to work on your short game. Prefer the outdoors? Explore the scenic hike and bike trails surrounding Hidden Haven Lake, or spend your weekends enjoying lawn games on the event lawn and grilling with neighbors at the covered pavilion. From morning workouts to sunset walks, life here feels active, connected, and serene. For families, one of the biggest reasons to choose BridgeWater is education. Located in Ellis County, BridgeWater benefits from highly regarded school districts, including both Midlothian ISD and Waxahachie ISD, renowned across the region for academic excellence, championship athletics, and award-winning fine arts. Students have access to top local campuses, and best of all, a brand new on-site elementary school is planned right inside the community, meaning seamless morning drop-offs and kids walking safely to school right from their front doors. When it comes to location, BridgeWater puts you right at the center of it all, with immediate access to major commuter corridors, including Highway 287, Highway 67, Highway 360, and I-35E. Traveling across the Metroplex is effortless. You are situated approximately 30 minutes from both downtown Dallas and Fort Worth, with seamless drives to Arlington and Mansfield. Outside the neighborhood, Midlothian offers vibrant small-town warmth with big city convenience. Spend the day exploring the massive Midlothian Community Park with its sports complexes and splash pads. Take a peaceful hike through the 60-acre Mockingbird Nature Park, or enjoy boutique shopping and dining in historic downtown Midlothian. With modern home designs, resort-level amenities, top-rated schools, and an unbeatable DFW location, BridgeWater isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. If you're ready to explore current pricing, available floor plans, or want to schedule a private tour, connect with Yolanda Westmoreland and the Realty First Texas Team. Give us a call directly at 817-785-9218 or check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Dallas-Fort Worth community tour. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.